Every year, it is important to look around the exterior of your home and perform any maintenance required. Doing so will keep it safe, operational, and clean. Begin by inspecting your roof. To do so, we suggest you hire a contractor to inspect on your behalf for this step, who is accustomed to working with heights. Be sure to have all surfaces checked for any shingles that may have lifted or blown off. This is also a good time to ensure your vents and caps are clear. While your roof is examined, pay close attention to your eaves troughs. These play an important role in directing water away from potential entry points. Because eaves troughs are open from above, leaves and other debris can collect and sometimes cause a blockage. It is important to clear out any unwelcome material to ensure this does not occur. Next, take a thorough look at each side exterior wall, taking note of any siding, brick, stucco, or stone elements that require repair. Pay close attention to any caulked elements for cracking, detachment, and any signs of water or air penetration. You will want to remove and replace any of this damaged caulking. Doors and windows should be tested regularly. To ensure they are operating as normal, open and close all operating windows and door locks throughout every floor. If you find any are sticking, apply lubrication on hinges and operator tracks until they slide smoothly and provide a firm seal upon closing. Driveways and walkways are two of the most frequently utilized exterior components of the home. Over time, they may start to develop cracks or settle below the surface, which can present tripping hazards. For cracks, apply sealant or crack filler to any separations larger than the width of a toonie. Any settlement occurring under concrete steps or patio slabs should be leveled with topsoil. Settlement visible on asphalt driveways may require surface repairs that can be done with a leveling mix. Following these exterior maintenance tips will help your home continue to perform efficiently and effectively for many years to come. Is there a topic you'd like to see? Let us know by contacting your customer care coordinator.